TrulyFun Toys.
Hi everyone, I'm Marshall from the Paw Patrol, and I have my Sea Patrol gear on today because we are going to be reading a really fun book called Make a Splash. Here's the book we're going to be reading, and look, there's me with all my gear on. Yay! As Zuma would say, let's dive in. Sea Patrol is on a roll. Ryder and the pups are keeping the waters of Adventure Beach safe. Let's help the pups practice their scuba moves so they can earn their Sea Patrol badges. Let's start off with Chase. Chase needs to swim through the markers to save Mr. Prickly with his rescue buoy. I'll bring that pineapple head back before he can say help, Chase says before doing a triple somersault into the water. Let's spin Chase round and round. Way to go, Chase, the pups all cheered. Now it's mine and Zuma's turn to earn their lifeguard badges. I need to use my water jet to swim out to some turtle toys and safely get them over to Zuma. I'm fired up and swimming down. Cheers, Marshall. That's me. Before doing an expert cannonball into the water. Ready, set, get wet, Zuma says. Let's spin me round and round. All right, Marshall and Zuma earned their Sea Patrol badges for that totally awesome rescue. Skye is up next. Your mission is to help an octopus get untangled from some seaweed, Ryder told her. This pup's gotta dive, Skye giggles before doing a perfect pup dive into the water. Good going, Skye. She saved the day and earned her official Sea Patrol badge. Next up, it's time for Rubble to build his swimming skills. Rubble's training mission is to find the gold coins down below the waves and bring them up to Rocky. Rubble on the double, Rubble cheers. Paw Patrol is on a roll, Ryder says. Now all the pups are ready to make a splash as Adventure Beach's Sea Patrol. No ocean rescue's too big, no pup is too small, Ryder says, smiling. The end. That's the end of the story. Thanks for joining me today to read this super fun, deep diving rescue book. Thanks for watching.